How to use the web version of Networrk app. To log into your account or to create a new account, go to app.network.in from your web browser. Log into your account using your login credentials. If you have not created your account, then create one using login options given. Now, go to update your profile from your dashboard. Step 1. Create your profile by filling up details as asked in this form. Put your first name, last name, and company name. Now, upload your business logo. Add job title, landline number and email ID. Turn this option on if your mobile number is the same as your WhatsApp number. Enter your website URL. Keep it blank if you do not have one. Now, write a small introduction about your company, limiting it to not more than 1000 characters. Insert tags of the products and services offered by you. Once you enter a tag, press the Add button. Repeat this process for adding more tags. Now, add your social media handles. Leave them blank if you do not have them. Click on Continue to go to the next step. Now, add your address here. You can also search for your address from the top search bar if you have registered your address on Google Map. If you do not have Google Map address, then simply add your address manually. Now, add your profile image to your profile. Click on Continue to go to the next step. This section allows you to upload your catalogs and brochures. Select the catalog you want to upload and name it appropriately for your viewers. You can upload up to 15 catalogs having file size not more than 20 MBs. Step 2. Create product or service catalogs. Go to Manage Catalog from your dashboard. Click on Add button and select Create your first catalog. Now you have two options. Use Upload from Gallery option if you have less images to upload, or use the Bulk Upload option if you have many images to upload. Let's look at the first option. Select the images that you want to upload. Now, name the catalog you are creating and write a small description about your catalog. Enter product name and description. Enter the price of the product or service you are offering. Leave it empty if you do not want to publish price. You also have the option to offer discounts. Now, click on the Save button to upload the image. Repeat the same process for other products uploaded by you. If you have many products to upload, then use our bulk upload feature. To see how to bulk upload, see our other video from the help section. Now you can see that your first catalog is created. You can add more products in your catalog as per your needs later on. To add more images of the same product, click on the product and select Add More Photos. Click on Save button to save changes in your catalog. Repeat the process for all the products. Now, go to the menu and click on My Profile and further select View My Public Profile to view the profile created by you. Now, you can see that your profile is created along with the catalog created by you. There is no limit to the number of catalogs. You can create as many catalogs as per your requirements. Now let's see how to share catalogs with your clients. Go to Manage Catalog. Click on the WhatsApp icon of the catalog you want to share and select the person you want to send it to from your WhatsApp contacts. Your customer will receive the web link of the catalog shared by you and will be able to view all the products of that catalog. Step 4. Performance Tracking. From your menu, select Analytics. This section will help you to know details on profile views, catalog views and inquiries received.